What's going on, guys? Adam again, back with the Atomic Garage, and today I got a new tool. Man, I can't show you how it works because it's raining, but the next best thing to do is to talk about it. Coming up in this video.
Look at that. Just look at that. It's been raining for a couple days. Anyway, let's get started on talking about this half-inch impact.
Here it is, guys. M18 fuel, driven to outperform. Oh man, first off, before we even open it up, let's look at a couple of these specs right here. So of course, as I said, this is the friction ring, not the hog style ring. Also, fastening torque, 1,000 foot-pounds, 1,000 of them. Nut busting torque, 1,400 pounds. Okay, 1,400 foot-pounds. You got 4 different modes on it. RPMs are very variable. This bad boy does have a little weight. It is 5.9 pounds, just the tool by itself. You felt that? That's a solid thing right there. Well, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Got another one of these win little contests. Thanks for stepping up for the best tool money can buy. This is not the one key where it's not like Bluetooth activated. That's the only thing, but I didn't really need that personally. And of course, the booklet that has all the different tools and kits and everything like that in there. Set that to the side. Bam! Let's break this bad boy out the plastic. Look at that. Okay. Say hello to my little friend. That's not a little guy. That's a big guy right there. Look at that. That is got the friction ring right here, and man, look at that. It looks wonderful. Okay, let's go ahead and slap a battery pack on it real quick. Don't have a humongous battery pack. Also got the different modes for it. That's also awesome, and a light. Let's get a battery pack on it real quick. Here's a battery pack. See how charged it is. 3 out of 4, not too bad. Slap this on here. Like, oh man. Battery pack, of course, doesn't weigh anything at all. Oh, look at that. So, we've got the different modes. Got your light right here. We can hit it. Go to mode 1. Very slow. You want to run it on pretty easy. Mode 2. Got a little bit more. You can feel it. Look at the torque. That's just, I'm gonna brace my hand. Still torques it. 3. This is the one that's got the power for you. And the last one, all out. This is a behemoth of a half-inch impact. It is about time that I bought this half-inch impact. And now you're probably asking, why? Why did you buy this when you could have went to Harbor Freight? They're on sale, $229, can get you the whole tool. And you paid how much? You paid $259 for the bare tool. Why? Look at that. That bad boy that's something serious. So again, why? Why did I go with this instead of the earthquake line? Well, a couple different reasons. One, I'm on a Facebook group with Harbor Freight Tools, and one guy has been through like 4 of the same actually, but of course different earthquake models, and after a few months or so, it doesn't hold up. Now, I'm not saying that that's the case for all of them, okay? But for his industrial use, which obviously you can say it's not really for industrial use or not, that's up for your interpretation. But some people don't believe in that. And honestly, I'm a guy that I don't really buy a bunch of tools, okay? I have a bunch of tools, but this is years and years of buying tools. And when I actually pull a trigger on something that's a pretty good size and got a hefty little penny, then you better believe that I actually believe in exactly what I am buying. And guys, I bought into the Milwaukee, okay? Even with the perspective that I sell Milwaukee, it's another story to actually own it and to actually sell it because I actually use it. And this tool is gonna make my life loads easier. So since I'm not working in the shop anymore, it's no need for my air compressor. This air compressor is antiquated. timeline of a compressor right here, I don't need you no more. I don't need to use that. I'm tired of using that, and I'm trying to switch everything over to just electronic, just electrical, battery powered, because honestly guys, this drawer down here that has at the very bottom a bunch of my air tools, I don't know the last time that I've used them. I don't know the last time that I used my Cobalt 3/8 air ratchet, and I love that tool. My first ratchet that I ever bought, and still works to this day, but I don't use it. Because the everyday Joe like you and myself, and even those that's in the professional field, we don't feel like toting around that air hose. We don't feel like dealing with that no more. And sometimes you still need the straight brute force of an air gun. But you know what? Milwaukee is really starting to contest that, and contest where we should even look at electric tools. And another thing, guys, I'm getting old, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I've been using beforehand. Wrong drawers still do. This is what I've been using. 1/2-inch breaker bar. And while I love my 1/2-inch breaker bar, I'll be honest with you, when you got a couple brake jobs you got to do in your own vehicle or someone else's vehicle, and you're doing stuff constantly, you get tired after a while of breaking it loose, breaking it loose, breaking it loose. Now, that's gonna be on an extended vacation, because now I've got this bad boy right here. Most of the weight is right here at the top. Battery pack doesn't weigh much at all. Still waiting on my battery pack to come in, but that's pretty any much time. And this bad boy, again, it has the power to break anything and everything loose. And I know, because I've got many people that have them, and they've got nothing but good praises. So guys, that's all I got for you today. Not much of a actual action-packed video. Still raining outside after 42 days, but you know what? It's quite all right. We'll make it work. Maybe I'll make a follow-up video on actually using it. You'll see us make its cameo appearances with the other projects that I have coming up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!